Hello, I am Steve Abadi, Chairman and CEO of Innovative Glass Corporation. One of the greatest applications of LC privacy glass is using it in sliding doors. Sliding doors always create a wiring challenge. How do you conceal the wires? How do you make it so you don't have wires that you could trip over or something that looks like an alarm cord or a telephone cord? Well, sliding doors have a need to be powered in whatever mode that the doors are in. And in this case here, I'm using it as an ICU door in a hospital, where the glass is completely private for patient privacy, or it could be turned on for the nurses to be able to view in the room. But how do you conceal those wires? Well, Innovative Glass has developed a PowerTrack. Now, PowerTrack is basically a system that allows the power to move with the door from one end to the other. This PowerTrack allows doors to be made to travel 3 feet, 5 feet, 30 feet, whatever the distance is that's required for that particular project. These PowerTracks are used in hospital doors, they're used in patio doors, they're used in conference room doors. And we make them in different sizes and in different colors. The finishes can be made to match up with the extrusions and the framing systems to which they're going to be installed, and they're made 100% custom for that particular project. We're here to help you develop a system to have your sliding door system have complete power. Contact us, give us a call, let us help you come up with a wiring solution for your project. Thank you.